Where we going, man?
Let's go Falco. Casamigos, margaritas.
Don't get me excited.
I might get some.
All right, bet. What you gonna get?
Let's go Falco. Strawberry lemonade, Grey Goose, or lemonade Casamigos. $12 a piece. Take that.
Man, I only got cash though. But I only got 10, Joe.
What you say?
I got 10 right now.
Let's go Falco. Casamigos, margaritas, tequila. I don't want it.
I mean,
Oh, you want this? Oh, alright, man.
Oh, okay.
Let's go
Yeah.
Falco.
I respect it.
That's cool. He don't like money. It's just like $12,
Yeah.
and you was $2 short and he ain't want it. He don't like money.
I respect it though. I respect it.
Nah, it's cool. He don't want money.
I don't want money.
You know what's the funny thing is? If he was on some cool shit, I would have just got it, bro.
No money in my pocket.
Bro, I could have just gave you, you know what I'm saying? But the fact that he was an asshole, yeah. Don't support niggas like that, bro.
But I bet you
Not yet.
Oh,
So let's
sorry.
try it. Let's try it. All right, so let's try it, yeah.
You got 5, 10, 20.
Yeah, you way better than that nigga, bro.
I'm copying.
You better than that nigga.
what's that on the 10?
Yeah, 5, 10, 20.
Wow.
This nigga. You been drinking up. Yeah, how you feeling, man?
I feel amazing. I feel
My guy over here. Yo, we gonna get something to eat over here, man.
I feel euphoric.
For it, bro. It gotta be a deli over here, right? Definitely a deli over here. Oh, I know it. A deli. It's deli right there. It's a deli right there.